Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. Today I have another project share, and as you guys can see, they are little sequins cluster shapes. And I was inspired by Anna, Serenity Creations on YouTube. Hey Anna! So she made these cute little sequence clusters and she showed you how to do it on her channel, so I'll make sure I leave the link in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And I thought, I want to make some. And I was cleaning last night, organizing all my sequins because I had sequins everywhere. And anyway, I was also going through all my stickers, so I finally got all my stickers in in a couple of spots instead of having them everywhere. And I found these chipboard pieces that I had, and they were different shapes, and I thought, this would be really cute to make those sequence clusters. So I took the smallest ones, and here they are right here. So let me just show you a little bit closer. So that's what you can do with some of your shaped, chipboard, accents, anything. Or if you want, you can also do your own die cuts. So I took like some of my punch. I used this one right here. This one's an EK Tools punch. And I used the bow because I wanted to make a bow one. And then I took my other punch, like this one right here, and I made that flower. So this is the EK Tools too. So you can take your punch, your dies, the smaller ones. I did this one too, and I made a couple of those. Sorry about my son, he's a little noisy again. Even though I told him, shh, be quiet, I'm gonna do a video. So anyway, they are super, super easy. So you can just punch out your little shapes, and I like to use the really sturdy cardstock. You can even, you can even use your, those wood shapes that we buy from Tuesday Morning. You can probably use that too. So I'll have to try that out. But these are, I just punched these out. And like I said, I had used the chipboard flowers and butterflies that I have. And then all you have to do, so we'll do this together. And thank you, Anna, for this idea. When I saw your video, I was like, oh, I have to try it. Okay, so all she did was take a die cut. Now she did just circles, but I decided I want to try, different shapes. And so here's one that is, and I'm running out of glossy accent, you guys, so I hope I'll have enough for this video. And of course, it doesn't want to squeeze out. Oh, it started out really good. Hold on, guys, I have to declog. So let me just put my little pin. Let me put my little pin inside so I can declog my... Okay, let's see. Hopefully that will come out better. Yeah. Okay, so you just fill your die cut. Just put a generous amount of your glossy accent if you have enough. And if you don't have glossy accent, you want a wet glue, of course. And on one of these, and I think it was this one right here, I did use the art glitter glue. And because it dries clear. So anything that's going to dry clear, you could also use. Glossy accent really is the best, though. But the art glitter glue does work also. I don't know why this thing doesn't want to come out. I just bought another bottle, but it's not here yet, so I just ordered it because I am completely running out. And I can't see, I'm not going to Michael's right now, so I am really, really low on glossy accents, and because I've been using it lately. Okay, so just put a generous amount, like so, and then all you have to do is dip. Now you can make your own sequins, like this one, or you could also use this. This is the one from Target, and then you just dip it in there. And if there's certain sections that, you know, didn't like the edge on the right side there, you can add more glossy accents up here. And then just go ahead and, whoops, oh my gosh, I just tipped it over. You can just add more. Let me go ahead and just, okay, and then just make sure it's on there. Just take any excess off. And see how easy that was? And then you could add some more glossy accents if you feel like they're not going to adhere. You can add more glossy accents there on top. And that's it. And just make sure you kind of, since it's shaped, just go ahead and push it in. Give me your essence. Like in this section right here where it dips. Hope you can see that. Just push that in so you don't lose the shape of your die cut. Okay, so it still looks like a heart. And I'm sorry I spilled all over here, but... And then you just let it dry. And it doesn't take that long to dry, maybe like half an hour, 20 to 30 minutes. And that's it. I love the way they look like, especially the butterflies. And I love the little bows. This one here is the Tim Holtz bow die. I mean, sorry, it's not a bow die, it's a bow punch. This one. I'm not that crazy about this one though. I prefer this bow shape. But I think I need one that's smaller because this one's a little big. But they're just fun to add to your projects. And they're super sparkly. I love them. So yeah, give it a try. They're really fun and super easy, as you saw me, you know, make them. Should we make one more? Let's do one more. I made like a really big mess. So let's do this butterfly right here. So we're gonna go ahead and let's do one more. If my glossy accents allow. Let's do one more. And I'll use the other sequins this time. Oh, you changed it to be like that right now? Okay, so just put it all the way to the edge if you can. And then here, use tweezers. And just dip it in there. Now with the butterfly, I like to do one side and then I'll move my my tweezers over to the other side. And hold on, let me do this so I don't spill. And then you just make sure again you push everything in towards, you know, the inside so that you still maintain your shape. And look at that big one there. You can use the teeny tiny ones. I kind of like that there though. I do like that. But just make sure that it still looks like a butterfly, right? And just to make sure that that is actually going to stay on there, I'm going to put a little bit of glossy accents. And remember, this will dry clear, so don't worry. It will dry completely clear. Okay. I'll even add some beads on top there. Okay, there we go. Super pretty. So that's it. That's my little share for today. So you guys have to give this a try and make sure you visit Anna, Miss Anna Serenity Creations. I just had to share that because I think they're so, so pretty. So have fun creating yours. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.